What if you were able to learn how to earn daily pay working 2 hours a day? My name is Freddie Miller. I've been in the direct sales space, network marketing, entrepreneurship for many, many years, built some successful global teams. And for years, I was searching for an opportunity that I could build from my phone. I see so many people traveling the world in exotic cars, wearing luxury items, and they don't punch a clock. They are constantly traveling, living the lifestyle, and they're earning crazy income. And you ask yourself, how is it possible that they can and I can't? I have to kill myself, I have to put X amount of hours, I have to do all kinds of meetings, face-to-face, etc., etc. Guys, we have a blueprint where we can teach you how, if you put 2 hours a day, you can start earning daily pay. Some people are earning $900 a day, some people are earning a lot more. The choice is yours. Get information now. Say, Freddie, send me information, or go to digitalpaysmedaily.com. Look forward to connecting with you. Take care. God bless, and you make it a great day.